release the dopamine, dopamine.
Vlog world, so if you watch the vlog, yeah, this now is when me edit part 1 BR Caesar's Army vlog, you know what I mean? Today our Wednesday, Wednesday, April the 24th, you know what I mean, 2019. Yeah, so if you now watch this right now, vlog world, when me something they post the part 1, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So vlog world, a week here I go crazy. You know what I mean? The week here I go definitely crazy. I'm telling you what up for the week here. Friday me have a, well, I'm supposed to go I Love Soca today. You know what I mean? Go vlog that for Uno. I'm sure how much work I have to do. Right? Day before, Sunday gone, a crazy editing and thing me I do. From BR, which Caesar's Army. I'm not done yet, that as me telling you. I Love Soca tonight. Right? Friday, I have to go do one shoot. Direct one shoot. Where my road manager again. Up at UE. Then I go Sherry Sinus grandfather 9 night. I go left that about 12 o'clock and I have work. I'm supposed to go to Juve and Mascamp hopefully. Then 3 o'clock in the morning I'm supposed to go back at Caesar's BR ambush you call it. 3 o'clock Saturday morning. Go right back to 8 o'clock. Right? Then I'm supposed to do a next shoot for Sugar Plums and Revlon them from 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Then I'm supposed to go up on the road, go collect some stuff hopefully with some next business me I sort out. Right? Go home, get some rest and prepare for Sunday, which are going to be the biggest one. Road March Carnival. Now tell me, by the grace of God, I'm going to make me able to do that. But we're going to do it team sign, so we're going to push. Because we say work, we have to go road. God, get this money, build the company. Because we're not there to play for 2019, you see it? And then we have other things I do now will come up. But what I want to do is just go and share up the video them, like up the video them. So, yeah, that's basically it. Separate apart from that, me there, vlog world, me and at me. Yeah, I go get some food, me not eat nothing for a morning. And, yeah, get some food, drink some water, come home, edit up the rest of the thing them, and then I'm supposed to go live, go and do some push-ups. So the rest of the week, vlog world, just want to focus on that and get them things there out of the way. You see, vlog world, so I'm going to get some food. Thanks for the little chat. All at 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Jesus, it's all lot of talking. But anyway, I get some food. Join with your boy. Whoop. What she say? What? Somebody where does it to me already?
Go away.
Where said to me? Say me gonna do what? If I road march there, talk to them. Where say?
G-string. Bitch, what?
Bruh.
You, me talk to the man, Ginger. Alright, vlog bro, so I'm there. Just get some food. Just I get some breeze out and thing. And so, you know what I mean? So right now, me get some what you call ready for action from Jmaiaca juice, big up yourself. And then right now I try to eat back red meat, guys. It's not like my body though, it's not like I not like it, but my body reject it for a while. So right now I'm gonna try something we call curry beef. See it here? Curry beef, bad. Tastes good. Now I mean, I get it a little Tokyo up on the boulevard over Super Center, so yeah. Yes, I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna shut it up now, team, because I'm hungry. Yeah, edit from morning and work. And just put in some hours and then just, yeah, after I shut up this, I go up on the live stream. So my day is vlog world. Vlog world. Hope you guys are doing great. Yeah. My day today Thursday. One day before the madness start, you know. It's gonna be a crazy day, you know. But anyway, vlog world, me there. I go touch the road, me I go shop and buy some more groceries and thing and some meat kind. You know what I mean? Want to start the week early. Cause it's been crazy, you know. But there right now, guys, I edit part 2. Yeah, they are edit part 2. Let me show you something. Make I give you a little piece of my past. You see this beautiful lady here? This is one of my bays. Know what I mean? Yeah, and I saw her. That when we are bad boys still, back in the past, you know what I mean? See her there? Yeah! That's one of my bays. Love her, see? Love her, you see? Yeah, but we're still cool and thing, is it? But anyway, vlogger, me there. Happy Thursday to you guys. Hope you exercise, get to no rest and go and take no vitamin C and thing. Me there, go and heal up my back and do my thing too. Cause you don't know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, no, non-stop, you know. What do road, is it? I go road hard. Yeah, so me there right now. I make a whole shower and bathe my dirty skin. So anyway, we're going to go on journey the boy. And thanks. Big up to everybody who's been supporting me. All my new viewers, all my new subscribers. Big up on yourself, team signers. Nothing can stop us, kids. God that way, let's go.
Easily, man, I beat them easily, easily. Easily, man, I beat them easily.
Go on vlog world, so I'm there. I'm up by university. And I have a very special guest here. Her name is Anya. Say hi. Hey. She smile, a beer things too. Nick up in the building.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah. Tristan up in the building. All stuff.
Well, black mirror. Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, man, guys, so we're there on a shoot. Don't think we'll get this work. Guys, me hungry. I want some water. I need to get some Jamaican juice because it's gonna be a long 28 hours right now. So yeah, I'm gonna be working right back from now right back till tomorrow 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. Yeah, what's the shoot? So yeah, so anyway, we're there behind the scenes of the cameras. So anyway, my day of vloggers, so just go and journey with them. Whoop! I'll go on vloggers. So we finished the shoot out by university, and right now I'm at Sovereign, the Jamaica juice, getting some juice and tea. After this, I'll be heading down to Karim, link my barber, cut my hair up, and then I'm going to move on to the next I go on the stream and do a little editing, rest a little, and then prepare for next movement later, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm there. So I'm going to vlog well, so I'm there. I take a little break, get some food, just breathe out my mind there at the shop. Yeah, carrying, you know, a chill and thing. Well, I'm supposed to get my hair cut, but my barber not there. So yeah, I'm very tired. Kind of tired already, guys, because I have to wake up early this morning for the shoot. So I'm gonna take a quick rest and get up for later and things. So, but there I do eat food and things. So, there I'm going to join with the boy. Wagwan vlogger, so we're there right now. A Sherry sign us grandfather 9 night and thing. Just there, guys. I'm going to chill a little bit and represent. You know, mains. We're just there. Man called Maki sign us there. Yo. You see it. We're just there. Show some Sherry sign us up in the building. That's my best friend. Yeah, man. So we just there, vlogger. First stop for the night until we touch the shoot later and thing is it. But let's go on journey with your boy. It's 8. Yeah. Yo, I'm vlogger. Yeah. Brother. Yeah. Man call Richard up in our building. Yeah, Richard. Tell the people them up. Tell the people. Yo, what? That's it. Yeah. What are we there? We have to love vibes. That's it. Music, food and things. That's it. But I enjoy myself. That's it.
Wait, hold on.
Hey, I'm vlogging.
Oh. You're vlogging?
Vlogging.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Can you tell us what that is?
What is vlogging?
Want to say hi? Want to say hi?
It's a video. It's a video.
कोई घर में बैठा नमन करे कोई हर मंदिर में भजन करे कोई घर में बैठा नमन करे कोई हर मंदिर में भजन करे कोई गंगा।
Alright, vlog world, so hope you enjoy that and think just reach home. It is 1:36 a.m. in the morning. See if I can tea for a little 30-minute nap and think and wake up at 2 o'clock and get ready for the next shoot. You see it, we're going to ambush. We're going to ambush, guys. Our crazy vibes. So, yeah, me there. Take off them thing off of the camera quick and get a quick cat nap. You see it? So, we give God thanks to reach home. You see it? So, 24 hours, no sleep. You see it? Basically, no sleep. Half an hour and nothing. So, let's go on journey with your boy. You see it? Let's put in the work. Nothing can stop us, kids. Got that work? The flag world. I'm there now, I go shoe boat. Not even get to sleep. I drive there. It after 3 in the morning now. I shoe boat and got the other event now. I know say kind of dark. So that I'm gonna do now and shoot. And ready up. Yo! So I'm gonna go on journey with your boy. Is it? Go on vlog world. So we're there. We're there. What you call ambush right now. We're there at the front, me and the crew. Yeah. Me and the crew rolling. Everybody there. Yep. We here. Right now we're gonna roll at the venue. Right now. One of the girls look good. That's something I look like it have got turn up dark. You know, got horrible. So yeah. There it is after 3 in the morning. Yeah. After 3 in the morning. And we'll cut and go through. Snowfields, guys! This is the line. This is the line, guys. That's people, guys. Who want getting? Yeah. It ran. It's crazy. But we are trying to sneak in, guys, because it have a ton of enough people. Let me show you. Enough people that vlog, right? See? And it kind of still just start. Yeah. More people to come, so it's gonna be crazy. But anyway, vlog world, just go on journey with your boy. Whoop.
No, I look like a mess. Don't do that.
She said she look like a mess.
Jermaine, be cool. Jermaine, you cool, right?
She look like a mess. So she look like a mess. I don't know what's happening.
That was so nice.
Anyway, vlog world, I'm good. My hair is safe. And ting. I look so dainty, kid. I'm gonna mash up the next shoot later. Reveling, maybe it's Maybelline. No, that's a Maybelline. Oh, alright. Anyway.
Those tacos were great. Thank you very much.
What?
I'm telling you, the tacos were great.
Yeah, guys, we got taco. Chachilito. Taco chilito. You got Aki and plantain, eh? Yeah. Tastes good, you know. Me not tired, me fit. Me do this for too long. Vloggers, I'm just reach home and things. I'm dirty. Watch ya. Try to avoid the tape, the paint. You know, I see the camera. Oh, it's full of paint. Me have to wipe it off, you know. Alright, vloggers, so. After 8 now, vlog world. I go show off right now. I wipe off the camera and hold it fresh. And go prepare for the next shoot. You see it? Yeah, I put in the work. You see it? Vlog world, I'm supposed to reach about 10 o'clock and things. So, I'm there. I want to go on journey with your boy. You see? Nothing can stop us, kids. God, yo. So, I'm going vlog world. I'm there. They done just done the last shoot here. It is 3:30 p.m. Yep, no sleep, my eye them a bleed from yesterday. Can't get my cab. Come pick me up, nothing. I'm tired. Bubaka me. I will need for rest. I really need to rest. But my day I vlog well. My day it was good. Just need for rest. Need the rest for tomorrow, guys. So yeah, that my day I do is eat. Still the day I'm in yard. Me start feel dizzy. My brain, I do some weird stuff because I need to sleep. I can't get no cab. Me and night. I come up a Korean for breeze out and me and food. The food tastes awful. Me and night, me cranky. Me everything. Me just want to go me yard. Flag roll. That's all I want to go me yard and go sleep. Me not stream. Me not go on my ear. Me not do nothing. Me just want to go me yard. Go sleep. Yeah. So I go on vlog where I just reach home. Yeah, just reach home there. I charge up everything. I prepare everything for tomorrow. The big carnival, I need to rest my legs then. I need to rest my back. I didn't get to go. Sherry Sinus people them. Sherry Sinus grandfather. You know, sorry about that, Sherry Sinus. Be at work. So 24 hour no sleep. Yeah. So I had me a fair work for put in the work sinus, team sinus. So now I chat foolish so I can't have talk straight. And I'll have medicine with me. I don't think hopefully can sort me out by tomorrow and them things, you know? So yeah, vlogger, I'm there. That's it. I go run off some file off of the computer here then and get some rest. Hopefully I can wake up tonight and touch down a sure sinus and grandfather night and thing. Well, after party, celebration party, you know, so yeah, day of Black Road, the squad journey, the boy is it,
Easily, 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 easily. Man, I beat them easily, 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 easily,